Hi, my name is Barbara D. I'm out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. My phone number is 541-521-4232. Give me a call. Today I'm going to show you a Catalina 263 RL. So this is a nice rig. Starting out right here, you're looking at an electric tongue jack. So what this does is it provides you light and allows you to lift and lower off the ball of the tow vehicle. Really handy. It's got two large tanks underneath this cover that switch over in the middle of the night if you ever run out of that propane. I like the Catalinas because they're well built. It's a metal-sided trailer, and metal-sided trailers have been around a long time. They have great durability, they're well insulated, and they do a great job, and they've got a super good price point. This happens to be a used unit, and the stock number on this is T38517A. So we just have this one, and if you're interested, come on out and take a look. We'll do a quick walk around. One of the things that I want to show you here is you've got large compartments that you can put your stuff in. So remember, this is a used unit, but this is wide enough that you can get a lawn chair through, a little service table or something like that. It is a half-ton towable. It's got a nice slide right here. All of your discharge as far as draining out your black water tank or your gray water tank, all in one place. This is an outside shower, so that's handy. It's a great place to wash off your shoes, clean out a cooler, maybe wash off the dog or whatever, what have you. You can even stand out here in a swimming suit because it's hot and cold running water, if you dare. This is a slide out, and the prior owner was thoughtful enough to put a slide topper on this, which is about $1,000 worth of accessory. It's very nice to have. It keeps the leaves or rain. It's just a nice little accessory, and it's functional. It serves a purpose. We're going to go past here now. We have aluminum fenders on this, and so one of the things that people run into when they have plastic fenders, if they ever have a blowout, there goes the fender. So you not only have to fix the tire, you got to fix the fender too, and hopefully it didn't destroy something else. So the aluminum is a really good idea. Come around to the back. This slide out, when you enter the RV, you're going to see a really lovely couch and ensemble here, a couch and a table. But it's nice that they have these outside windows, because that way when you're sitting there you can see what's going on front and back. Big window in the back. So I tell people a lot of times the view's in the back. Most of the time when you're out RVing, you're going to back into your site. So the lake is out there, the mountains, the stream, all visible from this back window. It also has a backup camera. So most pickups are geared with some kind of gizmo that you can just see it right there on the inside of the screen. A nice large extra grab handle. And something I like about this a lot is that you're usually carrying something in or out, and notice the door opens completely. So come on in. You're going to hear a little bit of beeping in here because it does have a smoke detector and the battery's gone down, so it's beeping. Two really nice rocker recliners here, so you can kick back. You can swing around and take a look about what's going outside. You can move these around. You could even take them out and put them underneath your awning if you wanted to. Little place to set your drinks. This is a nice sofa, and it also folds down into a lovely bed. So it's very easy. It's what's called a trifold, and I could set it up for you in just a couple of minutes, but I do want to let you know it's got a really thick foam pad on it, so it's very comfortable, very easy to get out, and will sleep to very nicely. Also, this couch is cozy enough that you can kick back right here and watch the TV. So you can sit in the sofa if you like to watch TV, which I do early in the morning. You can lie down, you can sit in the rockers, you can spin them around. It's just got some really nice things in it. It's got lots of counter space, and this is a what they call a foil wrap, so that you don't have any kind of a seam right here. It's all solid, and this is a composite underneath here, so no wood that's going to get wet and go upside down on you down the road. Check out that sink. It's a big one, and it's got a big raised spigot on it. When I open these cabinets, you'll see that they're hardwood or they're wood cabinets, they're not faced. And also there's some shelving in here. A lot of times you'll go into an RV that's not as nice a quality and it won't have any shelves in there. So instantaneously you got a little honeydew thing to do. Nice big table, easy to get at the things that are underneath it here. And this will also make down into a lovely bed. So this trailer will really sleep up to 6 people. You know, the old saying is, you know, it feeds 6, it talks 4, and it sleeps 2. But that's not always how it goes. You want to bring your grandkids with you, got a spot for them. Big refrigerator. This same refrigerator is used in motorhomes. I prefer the Norcold brand. They've been around for a long, long time. It has a nice concave freezer in it. So if you ever come home and you forget that you've left something in the freezer, you don't have it coming down the front of the refrigerator. It's got a microwave. It's got a nice oven, a range top, a flush mount air conditioner. So I wanted to point that out because when you have a flush mount air conditioner, your air is being dispersed through these louvers. That way, instead of just the air conditioner blowing down in one place and you're hoping that it gets moved around, this is dispersed throughout the entire coach. All LED lighting, all adjustable lighting. You come in here and it's got a nice bathroom. So I'm just going to come in and close the door here real quick. Come on through. And we're going to do it a little bit like this. So you have a medicine cabinet up here, which is really nice. And again, you got shelves in it. A nice basin, a place to store some stuff, some toilet paper, some extra towels. Someone has said this is a used unit, so it's been equipped with this grab handle, which is nice. The facility here, and a nice big cabinet back here as well. Really super comfortable. You got 2 doors here. Again, storage is important. So as you see, this is plywood. What I do not see in Coachmen Catalinas is any particle board, any OSB. Plywood is the key. It does not, it just holds up for years and years and years. This is a vehicle that you could purchase and 25 years down the road it'd still be intact if you took care of it. You've got some nice closet space on each side. Notice that there are regular rods in there so you can use a standard hanger. If you're using a CPAC machine, then you do have outlets here and you've got a place to put that. And you can also place a TV out here. If you're a big TV fan, there is a space for the television. This door closes off, so if your guests have to use the restroom in the middle of the night, they can do so. And if not, you can get in here in your skivvies. No one's gonna see you. And it's got a back door. So the nice part about having a back door is that you get some nice airflow and it gives you a second exit. And this prior owner has been kind enough to also include a grab handle. So I just want to reiterate that this is a Catalina. It's made by Coachmen. Coachmen has been building for 60 years. They're a great company. They know what they're doing. It's a metal-sided trailer. It's a half-ton towable, and it's something that will sleep 6. It has a great finish. It's got that rear lounge, and I'll tell you, the view is in the back. I've been RVing for a long time. That's one thing different about me is I am an RVer. I've owned fifth wheels, travel trailers, motorhomes. And 99% of the time, the view is in the back. Please ask for me. My name is Barbara D. at Guaranty. My phone number is 541-521-4232. Thanks for spending some time with me today. I appreciate it.